You know that feeling? The weight of unfinished tasks pressing down on you? That nagging voice in your mind whispering every time, I'll do it later, maybe later, but later never comes. The guilt of wasted time, the frustration of knowing you are capable of more. But yet, something holds you back. You are not alone. And you are not lazy as well. Procrastination is not about lack of discipline. It's actually about fear, doubt, and that overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to begin. And what if I told you that you could fix this right now? Imagine waking up every day feeling energized, knowing that you are in charge. Imagine looking at your to-do list and tackling tasks effortlessly, feeling accomplished, proud, and unstoppable. So let me introduce you to the 2-minute rule, a simple yet powerful technique that rewires your brain for action. Take that one thing you have been putting off, the thing that lingers in the back of your mind, stealing your peace of mind. Okay? Now, in your mind's eye, shrink it down. If you have been avoiding the gym, just put on your shoes. If an email has been haunting you, just open up your laptop and type the first sentence, maybe the subject line. If a project feels too big, just write down very first statement. That's it. Just 2 minutes, no pressure, no expectations, just start. And something amazing will happen. Once you begin, you would not like to stop. Action beats anxiety. Movement destroys procrastination. And the best part, you do not have to wait for motivation because action creates motivation. Now ask yourself, what's one thing you can do right now for just 2 minutes? You have the power to fix anything, to step into the life you know you are meant to live. And if procrastination has been holding you back for too long, you do not have to fight it alone. And if you want professional help, then I feel delighted to tell you that in our one-to-one therapy sessions, we will uncover the root of your procrastination, rewire your habits, and build a life where action feels natural, effortless, and fulfilling. This is your moment. Don't put this off. Start now because your future is waiting. Don't keep it waiting.